in my last shave, we had some disappearing lather using our gold label razor rock. So today we're going to try and fix that. Let's get together. Let's start out, get a little water on the face. As you recall, in our last video, I rubbed the product on my face like this, and I'm going to try to replicate everything. I'm going to change one variable and see if that helps us any. So I'm going to rub the approximate amount on my face here, about the same. But this time, last time I used my Simode, what is this thing? I don't know why I can't remember. This is 1305. This time I'm going to be using a synthetic. This is from Frank Shaving. As a 19 millimeter. I selected because it's a similar size with the other one. Synthetics don't hold as much water in them, so we're going to see if maybe if the problem is because it's the boar bristles retain so much of the soap that it didn't allow a second pass. So we'll build a lather just like we did last time, and see if this, because this is good information that we'll probably put to use in the upcoming hard to soap that's difficult to lather. This soap is obviously quite easy to lather, but the Eucharist doesn't have a good reputation in that regard. So I'm using all these, learning these things in advance and sharing them with you as we go along. We're just going to use the vector just as before and see if things are any different using a synthetic. I find myself recently reaching for synthetic brushes a lot. Always, they're usually very good. And I've got some boar brushes and badger brushes. Got some pretty nice badgers. I don't have any of the super high-end El Bujo brushes, but I have what I consider to be decent badger brushes, and I have some pretty nice synthetics. Once again, because a man of limited means, I don't have the, and look at that. Well, that solves our mystery then. The disappearing lather, although it's not as much the second pass because, well, there wasn't much product placed on my face. So the problem in our last shave was not from the soap, because I didn't have enough product to saturate the bristles of a boar bristle brush. Look at that. I think I can even probably build up even more if I scrub a little bit, but that's perfectly good. And Razor Rock's product, perfectly wonderful for what for a portable shave or any other shave. But a travel soap stick, perfectly wonderful. If I were going to do it, I would make sure that you take a synthetic brush with you, because otherwise you're going to spend a lot of time trying to get a lot of product on your face it may not necessarily work out good for you. So a quick 2-pass shave for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. I've been mulling over that, trying to make some more whiskers so we can try again. And got a great shave out of it too. See how the what the alum says. I'm gonna get a little bit of a buzz because I think this is about the 9th shave on this blade. So it's probably about due to be switched out. Got a little bit of a buzz on the nickel area, but basically pretty good. And let's finish up with the same aftershave as last time, which is Razor Rocks XXX. Let's put a little witch hazel on first. And then Razor Rocks XXX, which is a pretty good product, and it's got a nice scent. I came too late to the show to get the matching gold label aftershave, so this is going to have to do to be the matching aftershave. Thank you so much for watching this whole time. I'm Major Rich. You found me at shavingcadre.com. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you're so inclined, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.